Hello children, Corona is spreading throughout the world. Stay safe. Wash your hands with soap and water frequently. Cover your nose and mouth with a mask. Stay 6 feet away from others. Sanitize your hands whenever you cannot wash your hands. Disinfect the surfaces frequently. Isolate yourself if you are affected from corona. Dear parents, even though you are vaccinated, follow the precautionary measures. Namaste parents. Hi dear children. In today's class, I am going to sing a rhyme for you. Two little blackbirds. Shall we sing the rhyme? Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky, one named Low and one named High. Fly away low, fly away high, come back low and come back high. Two little blackbirds sitting on a pole, one named Fast and one named Slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow, come back fast and come back slow. Two little blackbirds sitting on a gate, one named Early and one named Late. Fly away early, fly away late, come back early and come back late. Dear parents, you may feel the rhyme is too lengthy to help out your child to sing it, but don't be in a hurry. Let the child take its own time and learn it step by step. Thank you.